Hello, my name is Mike Ryder. I am a solutions architect here at N2WS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to configure notifications and alerts. Very important, just in case something happens to fail for some reason, you're going to be in the know immediately. So these notifications are user centric. So you're going to come up to the username and you're going to click on settings, and you're going to come over here to the left and click on notifications. So there's two ways to send these alerts. One is SMTP. So if you have your own SMTP server, you can just enter in your information here, or we can utilize an SNS topic. So this is what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well, which region I want it to go to, and then how I'm going to authenticate, right? So I'm going to use the same IAM role that has all the necessary permissions that I need on the server. And then, so now I'm going to go to SNS. So I can either click on this link right here, or I can just navigate to AWS and open up SNS there, however you prefer. I'm going to click this right here, and it's going to open up the SNS dashboard for me. And then I'm going to click on topics, and I'm going to create a new topic. So this is going to be a standard topic, and my topic is going to be CPM alerts. Display name, that's completely optional. If you just want something else, how to display it, no, no problem. But I'm just going to create this topic. The topic is created. So now this ARN is created. So I'm going to copy this. And so now I'm going to enable my push alerts. So there's a couple of different options here. Auto generate new topic. It means it's going to just essentially generate a new topic. It's going to send it to you and then not, it's going to delete itself. So I'm going to use an existing topic because I like to make sure that I know exactly what's being used. So I'm going to enter in that ARN. Now add user email as a recipient. We're going to configure that on the topic. So I'm not going to check that right now. But right now I'm just going to save it. All right, so it's going to utilize that topic. So we're going to come over to this topic, and we're going to create a subscription. So protocol is going to be email, and then the endpoint is going to be my email. Mike.ryder@n2ws.com, and I'm going to create that subscription. Create it successfully. So now you'll see pending confirmation. So any second, I should be getting an email. And here it is. Right here. So here's my subscription confirmation. I'm going to confirm. Confirmed. So then close that. So now this should say confirmed. I'm going to refresh this. Right there. Email protocol, ready to go. So now, go back to my existing topic, and I'm going to use that. And then enable daily summary. So this is an also really good just daily just summary on, hey, all these policies ran, they succeeded, just to get an idea of, what's going on from a day to day. And then what time I want to send them. So my day starts at 8 a.m. So let's go to 8 a.m., apply, and then save. And then done. So now you have your topic set up, your alert set up, and you're ready to go. I hope this helps, and thank you for using N2WS.